You ain't gonna cry now, are you?
Head to a 1081 in the marina. Suspect last seen on foot.
What's up, sweet?
We got a problem. Some punk-ass bass-head fool has been slanging to his Grove brothers.
What? Who?
Check this out. He's been buying shit over in Glen Park. He know the hood is talking, and he's hiding out with his new ball of friends.
Shit, man. How we gonna get to him?
It's time for you to announce your return, CJ. You fuck up Glen Park, and that turncoat bitch-ass nigga's gonna lose nerve and make a break for it.
Okay, I'm gonna come pick you up.
Hell no. This is your gig, CJ. You need some stripes. Get over to Army Nation and get a heater.
Site. Freedom means the ability to defend
I got everything a real patriot could want.
Welcome to ammunition. You've made the
There are cultists everywhere, friend.
You've come to a gun shop. We hope you get everything you need to feel real manly and patriotic.
What you gonna do next?
Shoot for a skull. Don't worry, fellas. I got it. Just laser scope when you need it.
That's cool. Can I have this? Yes. Now, huh? You don't need it now. Oh, you're too kind. Tenpenny set me up. You don't look like you need this no more.
Hey, you should do your whole arm.
Aw, man, get out of here.
Hey, back at you.
Come on, damn it.
My shrink says it's good to talk to strangers.